Hi students, how are you? Hope you all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Students, today we'll continue with our chapter 3, more on Windows 7, and it is session 2. Last class we have started with how to show the desktop and what are themes and background. For this class we will discuss about personalized font settings. Yes, for today's class we will discuss about personalized font settings. In the next class we will discuss what is gadgets. Under personalized font settings, we are going to discuss about how to change font style, how to change font size, what is clear type, what is the use of search. Listen students, these are related to our system work. That is font style, font size not related to Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint etc. These are related to system font. Below the app and all we will see the small letters, isn't it? So we are going to discuss about the system settings regarding to font style, font size, clear type, search. Clear? How to change the font style? Listen. Click the start button. In that start button there will be a search bar, isn't it? In that start menu, yes, you can type fonts. Can you see the fonts which I have highlighted in red color? Yes, you will see the fonts like this. Click that application. Clear? Yes, select the font you desire from the font pan. Yes, select that font. So when you click that font, the window will be opened like this. So in this font you can select your font which you wish, right? So that font will be applied to our system. Next, how to change the font size? Same way, under font itself, in the left side if you see change font size, can you see which I highlighted? So when you click the font size, you can change the font size. Here it will be not like 12, 13, 14 dot in that range. It will be small, large, medium. So in the 3 font size you can choose any one for our system. Yes, in this can you see smaller, medium. So these are the font sizes available for the system. You can select whichever you wish. Next, clear type. What is the use of clear type? For example, when our computer, our system is connected to the LCD monitor, that is our projector or any big screens. Yes, at that time we have to check whether the visualize the pictures everything is clear or not. So for that purpose we will be using clear type text. Clear students? So clear type improves the readability of text on LCD monitors and screen. So to keep our screen be very clear, that is fonts, everything should be legible, should be clear for us. There should not be any blur images. So for readability we will be using this clear type. Clear? Next come the search. What is the use of search bar? Any file or any folder, any music or any film which we want to search, we will type in that search box. Yes, can you see the highlighted button? So when you click on that, when you start typing, you will get the relevant option whichever group by categories and is highlighted, right? And it is a very easy way to scan your files, music and documents. Nice. Hope everything is clear. I will come to the question part. Give the steps to change the font size. How the file can be searched in Windows 7. The answer is available in the same video itself. Go back, study and post back in your corresponding group. Hey students, it's time to say bye-bye. Take care.